Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AmbitiousProgrammer. Today's topic is input devices and output devices. So let's start the topic. But before starting the topic, if you are not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and also click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my new technical videos. So in this video we are going to learn definition of the input devices, the classification of the input devices, definition of output devices, and classification of output devices. Then, what is input devices? Input devices takes the data and the instructions from the users and converts it into the binary forms so that it can be understood by the computer. Keyboard and the mouse are the two main input devices. Light pen, joystick, barcode reader, scanner, and also the various types of the input devices are available. So first is keyboard. Keyboard, it is the input device. It is used to typing the letters, numbers, and other symbols like plus, minus, dollar, hashtag, @ question mark, etc. So the key is divided into different types. So keyboard, in this the keyboard there are the multiple keys are there. For example, alphanumeric keys, control keys, function keys, navigation keys, and numeric keys are there. So one by one we are going to see what are the different types of the keys. So first is alphanumeric keys. This includes the alphabet keys, number keys, punctuation keys, and the symbol keys. Second is the control key. These keys are used to alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain functions or the operations. The most frequently used control keys are control, alert, the window logo key, and the escape. Third is function key. The keys marked with F1 to F12 are called function keys. Function keys are also used as shortcut keys to perform special functions. For example, F5 keys is used to refresh the pages. So function key is what? The key is having, each key is having the different functions. So for example, F5 key is used for the refreshing the page. Okay, so like that. Navigation keys, these keys are used for the moving around in a document and for the editing text. If you have to edit the text in a document, so navigation key is useful to you. They include some keys like the arrow keys, home, end, page up, page down, delete, and the insert. The next key is the numeric key. The numeric keypad is used for entering the numbers quickly. The keys are grouped together in a block just like they are in a calculator. So these are the different keys in a keyboard. So next is mouse. So mouse is also the input device. So mouse, it is also called as the pointing device. Okay, so this is an input device which is used to give the input to the system. Mouse is an input device with two or more buttons on the top. It is famously known as the pointing device. When you move the mouse, the pointer on the monitor moves along with it. You can select and open the files and the folders on the computer by clicking on the mouse button. Nowadays, optical mouse is more commonly used. The optical mouse and the laser mouse are more accurate and reliable. The next is the joystick. A joystick is also a pointing device. It can be moved at a different angle to change the direction of the devices it is controlling. People use joystick basically to play games on the computer. A joystick has many buttons which can be used to give the input to the computer. Nowadays, joysticks are also used to design the programs. So this is about the joystick. The next is light pen. A light pen is also a type of the pointing devices like the wand. We use it to choose our desired option among the various display options. The light pen can also be used directly on the screen for making the graphic or drawing. It can be used as the substituent of the mouse, but it is much more costly. So, it is mainly used by the engineer, architecture and the designers. For the first light pen was used in around 1957. The next input device is Barcode Reader. A pattern of the thin and the thick black lines on the white background is known as the barcode. The device which reads the barcode is known as the barcode reader. This is an input device. A barcode reader has a light source and a lenses. It reads the bar printed on the barcode and sends digital information to the computer. The next input device is scanner. In scanner, a scanner is an input device that scans or the captured documents such as the photographs and the pages of the text. A scanner is an eye of the computer. The scan image can be seen on the monitor. A scanner converts the paper images into the digital or electronic images. Scanner contain a camera which is made up of the tiny cells called as the charge couple content of the camera, which is made up of the tiny cells called charge couple content of camera. Each CCD transmits a small part of the images to the computer. These cells are so small that it would take more than 3000 CCDs to scan an image that is the size of a pinhead. There are the three basic kinds of the scanner. First is flat-based scanner, second is handheld scanner, and third is sheet-fed scanner. So these are the three types of the scanners are available nowadays. So the most popular kind of the scanner is the flat-based scanner, which has a flat glass bed for scanning documents and the images. The next is output devices. So what is meant by output devices? The output devices which helps in the displaying and the delivering the result are known as the output devices. And output devices display the result of your work after your input has been processed by the CPU. A computer generates various kinds of the output devices depending upon the hardware and the software being used. The example of the output devices are monitor, printer, plotter and the speaker. So first example of the output devices is the monitor. The most popular output devices used for the producing the soft copy output is monitor. It is also known as the visual display unit, that is VDU. Monitor is like as a TV screen where the work done by the computer is displayed. The monitor can be display words, pictures, images, tables, numbers, graphs and the charts. It can display the text as well as the graphics. The size of the monitors can be 14, 15 and 17 inches. It could be either an LCD and CRT monitor. Then next is the printer. This is also an output device. So an output devices that produce the text and the graphics on a physical medium such as the paper is called as a printer. A printer is used for the printing and keeping the permanent record on the paper. It helps us to take printouts of the work that we have done on the computer. When an output is shown on the paper, it serves as medium. There are the various types of the printers are available in the market today, depending upon their speeds and the quality of the print. Some printers can print only in black and white color, although most printers today gives the color printouts. Printers can be divided into the two main groups, impact printers and the non-impact printers. Impact printers produce text and images by the striking a metal or the plastic hairs against an ink ribbon. The ink ribbon is pressed against the paper, marking the page with the appropriate characters, dot, lines or the symbols. So there are the three types of the printers. First is dot matrix printer, second is inkjet printers, and third is the laser printer. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.